How to master the short squeeze for gains you won't find anywhere else. Ready to unlock trading strategies that can skyrocket your profits? Stick around, let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is a short squeeze? Simply put, it happens when a heavily shorted stock suddenly surges in price. Short sellers who bet against the stock rush to cover their positions, driving the price even higher. Understanding this is key to mastering the squeeze. The higher the short interest, the greater the potential for a squeeze. A great scanner that you have programmed with this criteria can capture this. Grab the link and hone in on the scanner I use to capture these moves. Be prepared. Do you have a broker with DMA, hotkeys program? Watch the volume. A sudden spike in trading volume often precedes a squeeze. It shows that interest is building. Keep your eyes peeled. Do you have the critical indicators and timing secrets set up on your charts? For the best charts, smash the link and see why the premium second-based charts are necessary for capturing max profits. For exclusive tips and strategies, follow me at Momentum with Jamie.com. Earnings reports, product launches, or regulatory changes can trigger a squeeze. Stay updated on news that might impact the stock. Grab the free checklist and master this art with tutorials that outline specifics on mastering the art of this. Know when to take profits. Short squeezes can be volatile, so have an exit strategy in place to lock in gains. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Squeezes can be unpredictable, so protect your capital. Follow market trends and join trading communities. Knowledge is your best ally in mastering the short squeeze. For more tips and insights that can transform your trading success, subscribe at momentumwithjamie.com.